Oh, hi, Percy. How are you today?
Good. That's what I thought.
Oh, what is it, Percy?
It's a catapult. We can use a tinder fly to shoot it into a mountain.
Oh, wow. I think I see Thomas coming down the track now with the Kinder Surprise egg. Oh, here I go. I've got the Kinder Surprise egg. Rosie and Percy are gonna love it. I can't wait to fly it into the mountain with the catapult. Oh, hello, Percy. Hello, Rosie.
Hi, Thomas. Did you bring the egg?
Yes, I've got the egg on my trailer right here. Do you have the catapult, Percy?
Yes.
Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
That was awesome. That master egg wide open.
It did, Percy. There's chocolate everywhere. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if you could say the magic words, Percy, so that we could open the egg.
Abracadabra.
Oh, what did we get? I think it's another Smurf.
This is a sweeping Smurf, and he has a goldfish.
He does have a goldfish. Hi, Smurf. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hello.
Wow, we had a fun time with that catapult. See you later.
Bye.